Hi. So this is Mr. Hamji over their shop in Port Moody. True line auto body, frame, and wheel, ICBC certified. This is where we're gonna be doing builds. Busy intersection. We're gonna try and take these off.
So, if you want to start with it, we can. I'm just looking for an exhaust for this thing, okay?
Should we go find an exhaust and then take these off?
Yeah. Let's go source one out, figure out what we're doing, come up with a game plan, and then we'll see what it sounds like straight pipe, and then we'll just leave everything off.
I say if we can get the exhaust off with a bumper delete, we'll just rip around like that.
Get 3 tickets and span up from here to Pedro's.
You can get a ticket for bumper delete.
Yeah, you can.
For what?
You have to have a rear bumper on.
Says who?
The law.
Really?
Yeah.
How come Lamborghinis do it?
Because
the Lamborghinis.
You get away with a lot of different things.
Yeah, we'll get away for a bit. We'll be like, dude, we gotta
Getting fixed, man.
we gotta test drive it.
It's getting fixed.
Straight up.
Look at this.
For a Chevy Chryslers. Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah.
It fits Jaguar.
Fits a Jaguar or a Chrysler. I keep you updated. Gonna see if we can find an exhaust.
17. Wrong one. This one. Yeah, no, it'll be on the claim. I gotta pay for this exhaust now? Okay, 1 second.
Okay. So we are doing the aftermarket exhaust.
This bad boy.
We have just ordered a Quicksilver.
Oh, that's exhaustless.
Yeah. So
Should sound really, really nice.
should sound nice. Hopefully.
Actually, we could probably show you.
No, don't worry.
We'll show them in real life.
We'll probably go straight pipe the thing right now. We'll take the exhaust off, and then he said 1 week it's coming in.
1 week.
Did he order it?
Yeah, order. Done.
It's done. Did it?
Done, dude. This is gonna be
This is the first modification I've ever done. Or he's done a lot.
I've done a lot.
I've done like this is the first thing I've ever done. I'm not even doing it. I'm just gonna help.
This gave me sick. Okay.
Dude, we got an exhaust.
Thank you for calling True Line. Okay, let's go straight pipe that bad boy.
Alright, we're gonna go straight pipe this bad boy. Let's go. We got the 10 bits.
Oh yeah, gotta have one of those.
Food vlog. Alright, we're gonna straight pipe this bad boy.
Right now. Water leaking all over my face from inside the exhaust. I'm sweating. I'm sweating muffler water.
Muffler.
Oh, I'm nasty.
He straight pipes everything. Yeah. Yo.
Should we take it off from here? Do it. Hold on, before you tap real quick.
Alright guys, so it is officially straight piped. Exhausts are off.
It's not really straight pipe because we still have the cats on.
Yeah, we still got the cats, but
Fucking hanger. Although it should just slide off.
yeah, it's coming off. It's about to come off. Boom.
So this is the right side.
Boom, baby. One exhaust off. Startup coming in 2 seconds. I think you're louder than this thing. Hi.
Okay, everyone ready?
Here we go.
I think the phone's in the trunk. I gotta grab
No, I
that.
took it out. It's on my toolbox.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go for a rip skis. Yo, it sounds so nice.
Oh man, I'm so pumped right now.
Wait, hold up.
Oh yeah, belts.
No, put this thing into
Race mode.
sport mode, baby.
Oh yeah, everything just went red over here. I'm scared.
There we go.
Oh damn it! What are these guys doing here?
Can't you see we got a rear bumper delete? Get out the way.
Oh man, this truck better not take us out here. No, we'll take a left.
Yo, this is crazy. She almost got hit by the trailer.
Yeah. This sounds so good, man.
Hi. Sounds like a Lamborghini.
Yo, let's just leave it like this, man.
Shall we?
Let's just take the $700 and run.
It burbles, yo. It's like duck, duck, duck.
Yo, this thing sounds next level.
It sounds really good, guys. Oh man, let me try.
We're eating lunch.
Alright, we're gonna go past this classy restaurant.
Sounds like a freaking race car, man.
Yo, we accomplished some dope shit.
To be honest,
Take a left.
I've removed a lot of mufflers from cars.
Yeah.
But by far, this is the nicest sounding mufflerless car
It sounds clean. It doesn't sound
clean. It
yeah.
sounds like an exhaust system.
It sounds so nice when you like let off, and it just
Yo,
like.
show people what our shop's like. Look where we are.
So our shop's right next to this harbor.
Let's do a photo right here. Because there's no freaking cars.
There's a boat launch. We're about to launch this thing into the water.
Yeah, let's go take a photo right
So
here.
this is a nice classy restaurant right here. We are disturbing the peace. Everyone's like looking at us. They're like, "What the hell is this?"
It looks so empty without a muffler.
I like it.
That's too sick. Dude, what a nice view.
Look at that. Look at all these shells, yo.
Yeah, man. People always fishing here, crabbing over the pier and stuff like that.
Yeah, it sounds nice.
Nice, man.
Go stand on the outside. No, you don't understand, dude. Hold this.
Too good. Just too good.
It's louder than when you...
Oh, yeah. We purposely just did that. We just did an exhaust delete to see what it sounds like. What do you think? You think it sounds good? We got an aftermarket exhaust for it, but we're trying to simulate what the sound might sound like because it's pretty much a straight pipe cap back. So that's what we just took off now.
Yeah, it sounds cool.
Sounds good, eh? Okay, let's go back before we cause too much ruckus. Yeah, sure. All right, man. It's a pretty, you know, upscale neighborhood. We don't want to upset these, you know, these high-end folk over here.
I feel like it's getting louder and louder the more that we drive it.
I feel like it is too.
How do we get out of here?
Just go straight, just go nice and slow in here, and we'll rip it out. That's gonna be lunch. That's Pedro's. Some of the best fish and chips are around right here. Sit in the park, enjoy. Oh, it doesn't get better. Come on, be in Bakla. Okay, go rip it past the skies. Yes. Very nice. And that's just too good. That's too good. Museum over there. This is the shop, but if we ever decide to, we get thirsty, we got a nice little brewery right next door. Right over there, solid. Yes, sir. All right, roll it right back into the shop. Yo, hold on, Jason, come stand at the back here.
Hey, turn off. We're wasting too much gas.
When you guys were over there, I can hear you from inside there.
Shut up. No way.
Yeah.
He could, so Jason could hear us from all the way down the street, like when we were ripping way down there, which is pretty crazy. Yeah. Crazy. Dude, when you took off, that thing was loud. No, it's actually insane.